To my channel. Today I am making a peanut sweets, which is obviously in Ghanaian they call it inkati cake. If I'm pronouncing it not good, sorry. Okay, this is the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using peanut here. As you can see, it bits in there because I like it with a bit of chunks, not all of it blended. I'll be using peanuts and sugar, and I'll be using white chocolate and some thousands of sprinkles for it. Caramel. Okay, all the sugars melted, so I'm now going to be adding the peanut. And now my son is laughing at me. I pronounced it different. Alright, I know I've got a bit of issues of my pronunciation, but it doesn't matter. Oh no, he's laughing with that one too. Leave me alone. I'm still your mommy and I can still smack your pom-pom. Alright, nearly done. Just mixing this up and okay, let's get this out of the fork. I mean, I prefer using the fork because it's easy to scrape the whole thing off. Every time I use something big, it always gets stuck into. Okay, let's get this down to turn my temperature down because I think it's a bit high. Okay, we don't want this burning because I don't like when it's too sort of like brown. That means it's surely been burning. Okay, I think it's all mixed now. Okay, now let me just get my place ready with the oil. Alright. Okay, I'm just now going to pour it to let it cool down, and I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so now just gonna pour it on here. Okay, that's so easy to just scrape there. Spin off there. Oh. Okay. So now I'm just going to try and gather all of it into one. Because we don't want it's stuck. Right, let me use my daughter's little tiny spoon to scrape that off. Okay. Alright, so now just going to okay, try not to burn myself with this. Okay, sorry. I've gone a bit quiet. This is really hot and it's already hot outside. God. Try doing this in the heat. Woo. Need my husband for this. Try not to make it too thin, just half. Right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. A bit too. Right, so now I'm just going to cut it before it dries off. So I'm just gonna cut them quite small because it's mainly my kids are gonna be eating all this and would not like them to have that many sugar. I mean, they'll be going crazy, especially my youngest one. She doesn't even, they both don't even chew it, but they have a funny way they will literally lick it all the way until they get the sugar out of it. Okay. Whew, that is really hot. Okay, I think that should do. Okay, now okay, mind me, I'm just gonna try and cut it for it to. Okay, got it here all done perfectly. Well, sticking already, is drying out. Okay, so I'm just now going to be adding the I have the chocolate here, so just going to be adding the chocolate, but I don't usually do all of it, just half. So let's get this. Not too much. This. I mean, you can try any other one that you prefer. If you use white, I mean white. I'm already using white. You could use dark chocolate or milk chocolate, or you can sometimes even after you finish this, you can sprinkle some fruits on it, because obviously everyone is different how they like their bit, but this is how I prefer using mine, and I'll show you what I do with the caramel bits in a few minutes. So I'm just going to do all of that quite fast, so sorry about this. Just finished the white chocolate one. So I'm now going to be using the caramel one, and this is just literally just stick it in like that. Not too much of it, obviously. So I'm just going to do the same with that one. I'll try keep wiping, so nearly dropped the whole thing in there, so it's not too much on it. Okay, I'm just going to speed this one too to get. Okay, just finished all of it, so now I'm just going to sprinkle the handling stuff. So I'm just doing that on them because I don't want taking. Okay, I mean the kids loves this. Me sometimes I use fruits. Just dry fruits on them. It's not all the time I use too much sugary, but then it is a sweet dish, so you expect to go a bit crazy, right? So that is it, and this is how I do make my nkate cake, and it's a peanut sweet. Thank you guys. Hi guys, just finished all of them, and this is how it turned up. Have the chocolate one and the caramel one here. And thank you guys, thank you for joining me make my peanuts and my peanut sweets, and in Ghanaian calling nkate cake. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like. Thank you. See ya.